गोपाल हिमानी, गोपाल हिमानी, मनोज, मानसी, मौदीपा, मौदीपा। नेक्स्ट नवनीता, नैन्सी, नवनीता, नैन्सी, पाटिल, पिप्पल, प्रांतिक, पाटिल, पी, पाटिल, पिप्पल, प्रांतिक, पाल, प्रांतिक पॉल। नेक्स्ट प्रतोय, प्रतोय दास, पृथ्वीराज पूर्णपमा, पृथ्वीराज पूर्णपमा, राहुल ऋतुपर्णा, राहुल शान ऋतुपर्णा रुद्रनील, राहुल शान ऋतुपर्णा रुद्रनील, सम्राट शालू, सम्राट शालू, सोहम, सौविक, सूरज त्रिशा। (26, 28). Someone is missing.
सर मेरा नहीं लिया सर।
अंकित बोला, पहले बोला अंकिता, हाँ सॉरी, अभिजीत के बाद अभिजीत था ना पहले। अंकित, अभिजीत आया नहीं आज?
नो सर।
तो 26, तो वन मोर मिसिंग, दिया। Anyone joined while taking attendance? Now recently, while taking attendance, anyone joined? सोहम, सोहम को भी ले लिया। सौविक, सूरज त्रिशा, वेदिका, sorry, Vedika is having, I think, network issues more, so that's why she is getting a problem. Okay, now let us going to start the equations reducible to the pair of linear equations which are not pair of linear equations. So based on that, you are going to have the exercise 3.6 directly. Let us solve the exercise 3.6 only. So because if you go for that, normally in this there is no particular method. Actually you can okay, so now here exercise 3.6, equations reducible to the pair of linear equations. Is the board is visible here?
Yes, sir. Yes,
so
sir.
First equation, if you see that here in the first problem, 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equals to 2 is the first equation, and the second equation is 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y is equals to 13 by 6. Whether is this a linear equations? These are not linear equations. These are not linear equations, because if you see properly, if you do the LCM here left hand side you are going to get the numerator y plus 6 आ जाएगा. ये linear equations नहीं है, because xy term also you are going to get, x into y also you are going to get a term x into y also you are going to get. So that's why these are not linear equations. To convert these as a linear equations, we can convert them as a linear equations and we can solve them. So although these are not linear equations, we can convert. So let 1 by x is equals to some a मान लो and 1 by y is equals to b concept.
सर
हाँ
सर वो अभिजीत बोल रहा था सर मैं ज्वाइन करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ लेकिन वो ज्वाइन नहीं हो पा रहा है.
what
सर अभिजीत बोल रहा था कि वो ज्वाइन करने की कोशिश कर रहा है लेकिन ज्वाइन नहीं हो पा रहा है.
okay no problem. Okay, 1 by x is equals to a, 1 by y is equals to b. Okay, you consider these two. Then after 1 by x is equals to a, 1 by y is equals to b. So if you see here 1 by 2x this is. So 1 by 2x is nothing but what you write 1 by 2 into 1 by x. Can we write? We can write this 1 by 2x as a 1 by 2 into 1 by x. This 1 by x I am taking as a. So what do you get here? When you consider 1 by x as a, 1 by 2a plus 1 by 3b is equals to 2. The second equation you will get 1 by 3a plus 1 by 2b is equals to 13 by 6. Did you understand here this step?
Yes, sir.
सर 1 by 3 क्यू 3 होगा ना?
Yes, sir.
हाँ?
1 by 3 क्यू 3 होगा ना सर?
नहीं, हम 1 by x को ये मान ले.
हाँ
तो ये 1 by 3 by है ना? 1 by 3 by how do you write? 1 by 3 into 1 by y you will write. तो 1 by y is b. So ये b हो गया तो 1 by 3 into b लिखना है ना? 3 by क्यों आएगा?
3 दोनों के साथ मल्टीप्लाई नहीं है क्या सर?
हाँ?
3 दोनों के साथ मल्टीप्लाई नहीं है.
नहीं, 1 by 3x बोले तो क्या है? 1 by 3y बोले तो क्या है? 1 by 3y is nothing but 1 by 3 into 1 by y ना? 1 by 3y cannot be written as 3 into 1 by y. 3 into 1 by y बोले तो 3 by y होगा. If you have 3 by y, then you will get 3b. But you are not having 1 by 3y you are having. ये clear है ना? 1 by 3y can be written as 1 by 3 into 1 by y.
हाँ सर.
तो y 1 by y का प्लेस में I am taking b. So इधर b आ जाएगा. So 1 by 3 into b. So you are not going to get here 3 is in the denominator में ही होगा. 3 will not go to the numerator. So now what do you get here? If you simplify this one, this is nothing but denominator में 6 आ जाएगा here. Then you will get here 3a plus 2b is equals to 2. इधर भी LCM कर दिया तो 6 आ जाएगा. 2a plus 3b is equals to 13 by 6. इसको मॉडिफाई कर रहा हूं, हम लोग इसको मॉडिफाई कर रहे हैं. Then after what you get, ये 6 को उधर लेके जाओ. Then what you get 3a plus 2b is equals to 12 आ गया. Then you consider this as equation number 1. Next, this one, इधर 6 and 6 denominator में है, cancel हो जाएगा. Then you will get 2a plus 3b is equals to 13. You consider this as a second equation. Now you see these two are pair of linear equations in two variables. In variables here a and b. Variables are a and b. तो ये b variables बोल दो. Now here you can use any method you can use to find out the solution. Elimination method use करो. Elimination method use कर सकते हैं. Substitution method. Substitution मुझे लगता है थोड़ा lengthy होगा. So elimination में क्या कर सकते हैं? इसको ये एलिमिनेट करना चाहते हैं तो ये दोनों का कोएफिशिएंट सेम करना है. दोनों का कोएफिशिएंट सेम करना है. तो इधर 3 है, इधर 2 है, तो इसको 6 कर सकते हैं, इसको भी 6 कर सकते हैं. तो ये पूरा इक्वेशन को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, ये पूरा इक्वेशन को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करो. सो इक्वेशन नंबर 1 into 2 माइनस इक्वेशन नंबर 2 into 3. ये फर्स्ट इक्वेशन नंबर को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो इक्वेशन नंबर 1 into 2. So ये पूरा इक्वेशन को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, व्हाट यू गेट 6a plus 4b is equals to 24. ये पूरा इक्वेशन को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया। नेक्स्ट इक्वेशन 2 को क्या करना है 3 से, ये पूरा 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है। 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 13 3 is 39. What I did here, this one minus this one I took, so minus means second equation signs change होगा। So what do you get here, minus 5e is equals to, is it visible to you here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Minus 5e is equals to 24 minus 39. What do you get? Minus 24 minus 39.
Minus 15.
ये माइनस माइनस कैंसिल हो जाएगा। There b is equals to 15 by 5 equals to 3.
3.
This you substitute in equation number 1. So equation number 1 में substitute करो। तो equation number 1 क्या होगा? ये है equation number 1. b वैल्यू substitute करो। 3a plus 2b, b बोले तो 3, okay, is equals to 12. So now what do you get here? 3a plus 6 is equals to 12. Now 6 को उधर लेके जाओ, so 3a is equals to 12 minus 6 6, a is equals to 2. So a is equals to 2, b is equals to 3. This is not the complete solution because we should not find the a and b values. Here the question is asking you to solve these two equations. ये equations को solve करने के लिए बोल रहे हैं, but these equations are not linear equations. But we are converting these equations to the linear equations and solving the methods of using the linear equations. Then after finding the values of a and b, that a and b should be replaced with the x and y. So a is equals to क्या है 1 by x. So 1 by x is equals to 2, 1 by y is equals to 3. So x is equals to 1 by 2, y is equals to 1 by 3. So this is the final solution of that linear equations. ये linear equations नहीं है, sorry. This is the solution of equations. These two are called equations only. They are equations, but not linear equations. समझ में आया ना?
Yes, sir.
उनका डिग्री 1 नहीं है सर।
हाँ?
उनका डिग्री 1 नहीं है ना?
हाँ, इनका डिग्री 1 नहीं है because you are going to change denominator में variable है ना, denominator में variable है तो normally you cannot take them as a linear denominator. X power minus 1 होगा actually if you take. So like that different solutions will be there, different. So up to here if you are making you all the problems, then it is an easy task to you. Second problem, if you see that in the second problem what is given, I am going to give you the hint. 2 by root x plus 3 by root y is equals to 2. 4 by root x minus 9 by root y is equals to minus 1. Here what to do? 1 by root x a, 1 by root y is equals to b मान. Okay? तो अब इधर क्या होगा? 1 by 2a नहीं आएगा, 2a आएगा because 2 by root x is nothing but 2 into 1 by root x. 2 by root x is nothing but 2 into 1 by root x. So ये 1 by root x क्या हो गया? a. So 2a आ जाएगा. So this will be converted to 2a plus 3b is equals to 2. This will be converted to 4a minus 9b is equals to minus 1. Simple. ये प्रॉब्लम और सिंपल है. After finding from this, after finding the a and b values, ये वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करो, b वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करो. a का प्लेस में 1 by root x लेना है. तो 1 by root x सपोज a is equals to same like this, a is equals to 2 आया है, b is equals to 3 आया है. In this problem, suppose a is equals to 5 आया है, b is equals to 6 आया है. In this problem, what do 1 by root x is equals to 5, 1 by root y is equals to 6. So root x is equals to 1 by 5, root y is equals to 1 by 6. So x is equals to 1 by 25, y is equals to 1 by 36. See here, sir इसमें तो x y नहीं दिया है ना, root x root y दिया है ना, root x root y फाइंड. See, do remember that in any equation, variable value. What is the meaning of the solution? Solution बोले तो क्या है? Solution is nothing but finding the value of the variable. Variable का value find means solution of the any equation is nothing but finding the value of the variable which satisfies the equation. Equation को satisfy करने वाला value of the variable find out करना है. इधर variable x y है, variable root x root y को variable नहीं बोलना है. दो x का powers है वो root x root y whenever you take into consideration. Okay, is it? And did you understand this one second part also? So you can do it. That's why I'm not giving the complete solution to you. Third problem also, if you see that third problem, what is given to you? You see the third problem. Third problem also you can do it. 4x plus 3y. So दिखने में थोड़ा सा different दिखता है. 4 by x plus 3y is equals to 14. 3 by x minus 4y is equals to 20. Here what to consider? Can anyone say?
सर 1 by x is equal to p, बस 3y तो पहले c वो है.
1 by x is equals to some
A.
variable p. P is given I think in your textbook or somewhere else. That's why p says. But I considered a. Whatever it may be, you consider any other variable. 1 by x को ये मान लो. Y is equals to b मान लो. सर y is equal to b लेने की जरूरत क्या है?
नहीं है सर.
As it is ले सकते हैं ना. Yes, you can take y as it is. No need of changing it. Because वो दिखता है a and b means थोड़ा सा दिखने में थोड़ा अच्छा होता है ना. Both equation. One variable a, another variable y means थोड़ा सा confusion हो सकता है. So that's why better you can take. After getting the b value, that is only the y value directly. Otherwise, you can keep it as it is. Only you can consider 1 by x equal to a in this problem. Okay. Next, same way. Fourth problem, if you see that in the same way. Fourth problem you see. Fourth problem में क्या दे दिया? 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 is equals to 2. The second next one is 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 is equals to 1. It is given to you. So this is a equation given to you. Okay. So when it is given, what to consider here? X minus 1, not x minus 1. 1 by x minus 1 is equals to a. 1 by y minus 2 is equals to b. You have to consider 1 by x minus a is equals to a. 1 by y minus 2 is equals to b. Devi, please switch off the video. Okay. So now here, after getting a and value, 1 by x minus 1 is equals, suppose a is equals to you got 1 by 2. A is equals to 1 by 2 आया. 1 by x minus 1 is equals to 1 by 2. तो x minus 1 is equals to 2 आएगा, x equal to 3 आएगा. समझ में आ रहा है ना?
Yes, sir.
So you
Yes, sir.
can
Yes, sir.
I'm going to explain to you the sixth question, fifth question and sixth question little bit same. Sixth is little bit advanced to the fifth one. So I will explain to you the sixth. Sixth, if you see the complete solution, I will give the sixth problem. Sixth problem का complete solution मैं दे दूँगा. So if you see that sixth question, then you can solve the fifth one also easily. Okay? So what is the question given here? 6x plus, first bit means sixth one. 6x plus 3y is equals to 6xy. Second equation is given to you. 2x plus 4y is equals to 5xy. Okay? So these are the two equations given to you. These are looking like a linear equation. Sir, ये linear equation है ना? नहीं, इधर xy है ना? इधर भी xy है ना? तो linear equations नहीं है ये. x into y, तो x का पावर 1 है, y का पावर 1 है. सो दोनों का पावर देख लिया तो पावर 2 हो जाएगा. तो This term is going to have the degree 2. एक एक term का degree लेंगे तो this term is going to have the degree 2. So this is not these are not linear equations. What to do here? Both sides xy से divide करो. Both sides 6x plus 3y divided by xy is equals to 6xy by xy.
सर दिख नहीं रहा.
हाँ?
सर दिख नहीं रहा, थोड़ा राइट हैंड साइड लिखिए.
नो आप हॉरिजॉन्टल को घुमा लो मोबाइल को.
हेलो,
हॉरिजॉन्टल पे घुमा लो मोबाइल को, दिखता है. फॉर ऑल इट इज नॉट विजिबल.
Visible, sir.
Sir, visible है.
सर विजुअल
Turn the laptop.
हाँ?
So you just turn the laptop slightly.
No, whatever it may be, if you click on that video, then it shows to you very clearly. वो bigger one दिखता है ना? ये place नहीं दिख रहा है?
Yes sir.
दिख रहा है ना?
Visible.
सर ये प्लेस ही नहीं दिख रहा सर.
Sir, दिख रहा है.
दिख रहा है, sir.
हाँ, so okay.
दिख रहा है सर.
Next, both sides xy से divide करो. Then after 2x plus 4y divided by xy, 5xy divided by xy. So xy cancel होगा, इधर xy cancel होगा. So what do you get here? 6x by xy, 3y by xy is equals to 6. 2x by xy plus 4y by xy is equals to 5. So this, if you see that this one here, what else? Fifth question देखो, ये है second step की जैसा fifth question दे दिया. 7x minus 2y by xy is equals to 5. So 2x plus 4y is equals to by xy is equals to something number is given. Okay? समझ में आया ना? Fifth question also same है. So what to do here? Either x and x cancel होगा, y and y cancel होगा, either x and x cancel होगा, y and y cancel होगा. So what you get here? 6 by y plus 3 by x is equals to 6. 2 by y plus 4 by x is equals to 5. So same, 1 by x is equals to a, 1 by y is equals to b. So be careful that पहले y है इधर, उसके बाद x है. So 6b आ जाएगा. 6b plus 3a is equals to 6. 2b plus 4b, so 2b plus 4a is equals to 5. So this is equation number 1 you consider. This is equation number 2 you consider. So now what to do here? If you want to eliminate, b eliminate करना easy है, isn't it? Eliminating b is easy. b को eliminate करना, because इधर 3 से multiply कर दिया तो then 6 हो जाएगा. इधर already 6 है. So eliminate b. So equation number 1 minus equation number 2 into 3. So what do you get here? 6b plus 3a. Equation number 1 को कुछ multiply करने का जरूरत नहीं, is equals to 6. So next ये पूरा equation को 3 से multiply करना है. 6b इसको भी 3 से multiply करो, 12a, इसके भी 3 से multiply करो, 15 and subtract. So ये दोनों cancel हो जाएगा. Minus 9a is equals to 6 minus 15 minus 9 आ जाएगा. So a is equals to 1. a is equals to 1. Substitute in equation number 1. Equation number 1 में substitute करो. दिख रहा है ना ये?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
a
sir.
is equals to 1 इधर substitute करो. So equation number 1 क्या हो जाएगा? 6b plus 3 into 1 is equals to 6. Sorry, only you have to substitute in equation number 1. No, you can substitute in equation number 2 also. Already we learned that in the previous class. So what do you get here? 6b plus 3 is equals to 6. ये इधर लेके जो is equals to minus 3. b is equals to minus 3 by 6. b is equals to minus 1 by 2. So b is equals to minus 1 by 2. a is equals to 1. Problem खत्म नहीं हुआ. Most of the students will do after getting these values, then they will leave it. You are not supposed to live like it, because x and y values we need to find out. So finding solution of this one means finding the x and y value. So here b place में क्या लिखना है? 1 by y. 1 by y is
सर
हाँ
सर वहाँ पे माइनस कैसे आया? 6 माइनस 3 होगा तो 3 आएगा ना?
ओके प्लेस हो सॉरी हाँ 1 by y is equals to 1 by 2. 6 minus 3 है ना 3 ओके 1 by y is equals to 1 by 2 and a value 1 by x. 1 by x is equals to 1. तो y is equals to 2 होगा, x is equals to 1. ये सही है नहीं है कैसे चेक करते? इधर सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, x प्लेस में 1 y प्लेस में 2 इधर सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. 6 into 1 6 3 into 2 6 plus 6 12. 6 x into y multiply करो what do you get 2 6 into 2 12 इधर 12 आ गया इधर भी 12 आ गया इस इक्वेशन को सैटिस्फाई हो गया दैट बैलेंस देन आफ्टर इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट करो 2 into 1 2 4 into 2 8 8 plus 2 10 5 into y x into y is 2 so 5 into 2 is 10 so left hand side 10 right hand side 10. This is a way to find the solution of the linear equations. Find out the equations which are not linear can be reducible to the linear. Linear form में reduce करके then you can find it. समझ में आया ना?
यस सर.
Okay.
यस सर.
Let us go for the last problem, eighth problem. Eighth problem is little bit different. In this problem, two types of means two times you need to solve. 2 times you need to solve the equations because ये प्रॉब्लम एक बार हो गया ना like that one more time होता है. एक ही प्रॉब्लम में दो प्रॉब्लम means in the one problem two problems will be included just like a two pair of linear equations like that 2 pair of linear equations you are going to have. Okay, so that is a problem. This one is clear to everyone?
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
See here, why I am this one erasing it while making the notes also. Suppose in a leisure time once again, and this video is recording. After recording, I am sharing to you in that folder already, which is given to you previously. While writing the notes also, you can open this one and you can pause the video. And any doubt if you are having, you can write. That's why.
Sir.
That's why I am not giving the time to you to copy this.
Sir.
समझ में आ रहा है ना? हाँ
सर क्या आप ये रिकॉर्डेड वीडियो यूट्यूब में डाल सकते हैं?
वो बहुत ज्यादा टाइम लगता है YouTube में.
नहीं सर, ये ड्राइव में खुलने को भी टाइम लगता है बहुत.
ड्राइव में टाइम लग रहा है?
हाँ सर, बहुत टाइम लगता है ड्राइव में खुलने को और रुकता है बीच में, इसलिए प्रॉब्लम होती है.
Okay, I will try to download that and every day and I will try to keep it in YouTube. Okay. Actually, in a YouTube, if I give it to you, it will be a very public. For all the students, it will be useful. Anyone can see. But I think so. I don't want such type of things. Let us see. I will see. In the drive, it is not visible to you in a proper way. Streaming over it.
यस सर, बीच बीच में रुकता है, धीरे धीरे चलता है.
Sure, I will try that one. Okay, don't worry. So next, eighth problem, see here, first bit eighth problem. So this one, 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y is equals to 3 by 4. Next equation, 1 by 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 into 3x minus y is equals to minus 1 by 8. Okay. Now if you see here, this one here 1 by 2, here 1 by 2. 1 by 2 if you take the common and this can be reducible. ये reduce कर सकते हैं इसको ऐसा ही लिख के same इसको reduce कर सकते हैं और reduce कर सकते हैं. Otherwise you consider 1 by 3x plus y is equals to a and 1 by 3x minus y is equals to b. 1 by 3x plus y is equals to a, 1 by 3x minus y is equals to b. So now if you see here, like this, 1 by 3x plus y is equals to a, 1 by 3x minus. So here what do you get? ये पूरा a हो जाएगा. a plus b is equals to 3 by 4. Here what do you get? Can anyone say? 2 by a आएगा, 1 by 2 a आएगा.
सर 1/2a.
1 by 2 ऐसा आएगा? No. Some of the students will write this one also. This is wrong. 1 by 2 into a, 1 by 2 into a minus 1 by 2 into b is equals to minus 1 by 8. So ये 4 को इधर लेके आओ. 4a plus 4b is equals to 3. So इधर what you get? 1 by 2 if you take the common, a minus b is equals to minus 1 by 8. So here 2 ones are 2 4s are. So here this is going to get 4a plus 4b is equals to 3. अब 4 इधर लेके आए तो 4a minus 4b is equals to minus 1. This is first equation, this is second equation. Directly दोनों को add करो because here 4b है, b eliminate हो जाएगा. 1 plus 2 if you do that, equation number 1 plus equation number 2. So what do you get here? 4a plus 4b is equals to 3 and 4a minus 4b is equals to minus 1. We are doing the addition here. Do remember addition कर रहे हैं तो दोनों को चेंज करने का मींस साइन चेंज करने का जरूरत नहीं है. Then you can write here a is equals to 3 minus 1 2. So what do you get here? A is equals to 1 by 4 also. This a is equals to 1 by 4. You substitute in any one equation. Substitute in equation number 1. So equation number 1 क्या हो जाएगा? Equation number 1 you are going to get as this one. 4 into a. A is nothing but 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 here you get. Okay. Next plus 4b is equals to 3. So ये 4 will get cancelled. 1 आ जाएगा इधर. 1 उधर लेके जाओ. So 4b is equals to 3 minus 1. b is equals to 2 by 4. So this is equals to 1 by 2. b also 1 by 2. b is, so a is equals to 1 by 4. b is equals to 1 by 2. So that these values you take substitute. So what do you get? ये a का प्लेस में क्या लिखना है? 1 by 3x plus y is equals to 1 by 4. In the place of a, I wrote 1 by 3x plus y. In the place of b, from here 1 by 3x minus y is equals to 1 by 2. Problem is not completed. Again we are going to get the two more equations. Previously in all the problems directly here itself x and y आ जाएगा, but here हमको x y नहीं आ रहा. So what to do here? This you are going to get 3x plus y is equals to 4. 3x minus y is equals to 2. This is the third equation. This is the fourth equation. Again, you need to solve these two equations using any one of these. These are the linear equations in variable x and y. These are the linear equations in the variable x and y. These are the linear equations in the variable a and b. हमको x and y values, we need the x and y values. So that's why better you solve them using the any method. So how do you solve them? Directly add कर लो because here plus y here minus y is there with the same coefficients. So directly add कर लो equation number 3 plus equation number 4. Equation number 3 plus equation number 4 if you see that. Then what do you get here? 3x plus y is equals to 4. 3x minus y is equals to 2. So 6x is equals to 6. So from this x is equals to 1. This x is equals to 1, substitute in equation number 3. Substitute in equation number 3. 3 में substitute करो. 3 or 4, anyone. That is up to your choice. X is equals to 1. 3 into 1 plus equation number 3 implies. As we are substituting in equation number 1, equation number 3 implies 4. So what do you get here? 3 value उधर लेके गए तो so y is equals to 1. Therefore x is equals to 1, y is equals to 1 is the solution. x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 1 is the solution. देखो substitute करके देखो, check करो. If you want, you can substitute and you can check it. Okay? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ. क्या बेटा?
सर आप रिपीट कर सकते हो?
किधर किधर?
सर वो दूसरा वाला.
I'm not understanding what you are saying.
सर वो जो इक्वेशन नंबर 1 है ना 4 into 1 by a वो. सर सेकंड वाला सेकंड. सर दूसरे साइड वाला. यस सर.
हाँ. अभी इधर क्या है ना? Okay. See here. See here. A is equals to 1 by 4, B is equals to 1 by 2 आ गया. A का प्लेस में 1 by A is nothing but be considered as a 1 by 3x plus y. B as a 1 by 3x minus y. So A का प्लेस में 1 by 3x plus y रिप्लेस कर दिया. B का प्लेस में 1 by 3x में 1 by 3x plus y is equals to 1 by 4. Then 3x plus y is equals to 4. 1 by 3x minus y is equals to 1 by 2. Then 3x minus y is equals to 1. 2 आ जाएगा. Because denominator वाला है ना, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो. और in any method you can do it. Simply if you see that here 1 by here 1 by, तो ये denominator वाला equal to ये denominator हो जाएगा. Then after 3 equation 4 equation आ गया. So ये दोनों में if you see that here y and here plus y and minus y is there. So directly if you add these two equations, 3x plus y is equals to 4, 3x minus y is equals to 2, and दोनों को ऐड कर लिया है तो y कैंसिल हो जाएगा. 3x plus 3x is 6x, 2 plus 4 is equals to 6. From this x is equals to 6 by 6 1 आ जाएगा. This substituting in equation number 3 में substitute करना. So 3 क्या हुआ? 3x है ना, तो 3x value 1 है ना, 3 into 1 plus y is equals to 4. So 3 into 1 3 है. So ये 3 इधर लेके जाओ तो y equal to 4 minus 3, y equals to 1 हो जाएगा. So x value 1, y value 1. Whether it is right or wrong, to check what to do, you can substitute in that. उधर substitute करके देखो. First equation क्या है? 1 by 3 plus 1. 3x बोले तो 3 into 1. So 1 by 4 आ जाएगा plus 1 by 3 minus 1. Left hand side. First equation का left hand side. What do you get here? 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. LCM करो. 4 आ जाएगा. Here 1 plus 2, which is equals to 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is there. Second equation also check karo. 1 by 2 into 3 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 into 3 minus 1. So what do you get here? 1 by 8 minus 1 by 4. So इसको LCM कर दिया तो 8 आ जाएगा. 1 minus 2. 4 to 8 है ना? Minus 2. So minus 1 by 8. Minus 1 by 8. Yes, it is right. So like this you need to solve. And the second bit problems are all different problems that we will discuss in the next class. So ये समझ में आया ना, ये important है. Actually एक ही problem में दो है. In only one problem, two are there. So 2 times you are using the method of solving the pair of linear equations. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
समझ में आया ना?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, any step में doubt आता है तो पूछ लो. Still one more minute is left over. So second bit problems we will solve in the next class. No doubt?